This photo was taken in 1941 at the reopening of South Forks Bridge in Canada. At first glance, it looks like any other picture from that period in time. But if you check out the details, something is not quite right. There seems to be one man dressed in modern clothing among the hats and suit jacket of 1940s. He also seems to be holding a modern camera, wearing odd glasses and sporting a logo that doesn't quite fit for the time period. Not only this is strange, but complements the theory of time travel. We will have a separate video of time travel soon in this channel, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never have to travel back in time to find this channel and videos. An incredibly haunting image of linen mill girls from 1900 has emerged, and it appears the photo was not just of the living. The creepy black and white photograph shows 15 women posing in their work uniforms in a mill in Belfast. Most of the young girls in the grainy photograph have their arms folded in front of them for the group picture. On closer inspection of the photo, it is easy to see something is not quite right. The young woman in the third row on the far right hand side has a claw like hand resting on her shoulder. The woman behind her has her arms folded in front of her, so the hand can't be hers. The hand appears to be the resting on the young girl's back as if it was a friend in a side of embrace. When the photo is made larger, it is clear to see the details of the hand, including the bend of the fingers and the thumbnail. A similar photo of four friends for some reason has an extra thumb in it. Just look at the boy in the black on the right. Where could that thumb by his right ear have came from? I started hating group photos now. In 1959, a group of 9 experienced Soviet mountaineers died mysteriously in the Ural Mountains. The photo above was taken by the rescue crew. According to the rescuers, the hiker ripped open their tent and ran out barefoot into the snow trying to escape from something. 6 of the hikers died of hypothermia, 2 died of major chest fractures, and 1 hiker suffered severe head injuries. Alarmingly, he was also missing his tongue. If that was not strange enough, the clothing worn by the hikers was suddenly highly radioactive. On March 13, 1997, a series of bright, unidentified lights appeared over the city of Phoenix, Arizona, and remained there completely stationary for hours. The Air Force said that the lights were flares dropped for a training exercise. However, the lights reappeared over Phoenix in 2007 and 2008. They still not have been explained. This mysterious photo has baffled up the cops of St. Petersburg, Florida in 1951. The death scene of Mary Reeser was a grim and bizarre one. The woman's entire body had been engulfed by flame in her armchair, consuming everything but her left foot, which was intact. Her skull actually shrank. Many people believe Reeser is proof that spontaneous combustion exists. The intense heat had actually shrunken her skull, but bizarrely, nothing else in the room was touched. The pictures baffle forensic investigators to this day. The death of Elisa Lam has been a mystery ever since it happened in 2013. The 21-year-old student was found dead in a rooftop water tank at Hotel Cecil, where she had been staying. It's not entirely known that how she got onto the roof, which was barricaded at that time. But there is a very bizarre elevator videotape showing her the hotel the day she went missing. In the footage, Lam is seen exiting and re entering the elevator, talking and gesturing to the hallway outside, and sometimes seen hiding within the elevator, which was oddly malfunctioning that day. The woman in the brown coat, or the babushka lady, as she was later called by the FBI, was very close to JFK when he was assassinated in the Dallas. According to eyewitnesses, this woman filmed the entire thing. It's thought that from her vantage point, she may have been able to answer some critical questions about what really happened that day. However, the FBI was never able to track her down, and no one has been able to figure out the identity of this mystery observer. Most atmospheric phenomena are easily attributed to swamp gas or other natural phenomena. But this photo of the Naga lights over the Mekong River in Vietnam has baffled scientists for decades. The red hot fireball jet out of the water and ascend hundreds of feet into the air before disappearing, and can be seen in hundreds some night. What's bizarre about these is that they rise so high. Typically, these phenomena are fixed at ground level. There are plenty of local superstitions as to what causes them, but no definitive explanation. The story goes that sometime in the 1950s, the Cooper family of Texas bought an old house and moved into it. On their first night there, the father took a photo of mom and grandpa posing with the two kids at the dining room. Everyone was happy and smiling, they were living the American dream. But when the photo was subsequently developed, they saw, to their horror, that what looked like a body falling or hanging from the ceiling had materialized behind them. The members of the family were extremely shocked by this accident, and no one knows how that body came there. This is a surprisingly odd photo, as it intrigued me. A nurse reported seeing an unknown black figure dancing on a patient. When she glanced away and looked back again, the figure was gone. But hours later, the patient was dead. Security camera footage that revealed this image supposedly taken in a patient room. This group portrait of Goddard's squadron, which had served in World War I at the HMS Dallas training facility, is said to be feature the ghostly face of Freddie Jackson, a mechanic who had been accidentally killed by an airplane propeller 2 days earlier. His face is said to be visible behind the airman in the top row, fourth from the left. The photo was allegedly taken on the day of Jackson's funeral.